Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Liberato S. Benito Jr., International Referee. Second referee, Mr. Lumer Pajarillo, National Referee. Let's call on the starting lineup from our Tigresses of the University of Santo Tomas. Let's start off with our guest player and team captain, number 1, Rhea Dimaculangan. At number 6, Pamela Lastimosa. Wearing jersey number 7, Micah Ortiz. At number 15, Jessie De Leon. Wearing jersey number 18, Maria Carmela Tunay. And guest player with jersey number 8, Aiza Maizo. Libero, number 12, Dancel Jan Dusaran. Head coach, Mr. Oji Mamon. Calling on our Lady Falcons of the Adamson University. Wearing jersey number 1, Sheila Marie Pineda. At number 4, guest player, Mylene Paat. Wearing jersey number 9, Faye Janelle Guevara. At number 14, May Jennifer Macatuno. Team captain with jersey number 2, Maria Paulina Soriano. And guest player with jersey number 8, Angela Benting. Libero, number 11, Princess Listana. Head coach, Mr. Sherwin Meneses. The best of luck to both teams.
All right, here we go, folks. We are starting this match, USC against Adamson. And you can always log on to our website, www.vleague.ph, and our facebook.com, Shakey's V-League. All right, first play. USC running spike, pinag-usapan agad natin yan kanina, Ivy, in the pregame, and Micah Ortiz delivers the first point for USC.
That is coming off the block of Pao Soriano and Sheila Pineda.
Wow, the arena is rocking right now, Ivy.
That's right. Di tayo magkarinigan niyan, di kita marinig, katabi lang kita.
I know, and you saw how many people were actually lining up as early as 12 noon to get into the arena for this game. And the USC crowd so far, and the Adamson squad, I think it's 50-50 right now.
Yes,
no?
that's right.
Kung titignan natin yung crowd dito sa arena, mukhang hating-hati.
So full support for both of these teams. We all know how important this game is, of course, para sa dalawang koponan na to. And that's Aiza Maizo with a second point for the Lady Tigers.
Off the drop. The set was a bit too long from Rhea. And Aiza Maizo adjusting in the nick of time. Tunay. Service good to Benting. Back set. Pau. The block is there. Good coverage by Benting. Pineda off the block.
Good blocking being shown by both of the squads here.
That was a tall
yes.
Blocking tandem from USC, but Pineda, you know, her smarts really helping her a lot. Hitting it off the block, not forcing it through. Minsan hindi naman talaga kailangan.
Hindi naman talaga kailangan, exactly. Sometimes if you know na ang advantage talaga ng kalaban mo is yung blocking, why not use that advantage to their disadvantage?
Yeah. This time she gets blocked. Oh! Now Angela Benting, she was right there. Kayang-kaya pero parang nag-hesitate siya.
May konting hesitation on her part.
Shakey's, if it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Good reception. They go back, Pineda. Guevara with a freebie. This is... Uy, bagal ng bola. Montik pang pumasok, but it was too long. Lastimosa with a miss hit.
Pineda now for the serve.
Sheila. That's
Service
good.
good.
Ganda ng serve. Service ace. And really a perfect way to spend your summer afternoon, Ivy, noon. Napakainit sa labas. It's so hot, it's so humid here in the arena. Ang mainit lang dito ay yung volleyball action.
Yung volleyball action, that's right.
But, you know, if you're seated anywhere here, lower box, upper box, or even in the gallery, ang sarap pa rin ng manood dito. So we invite you to please come over. We still have some games, a lot of games in fact remaining, and these are the more exciting games coming up heading into the final round. Quarterfinals, semifinals, and then yung inaabangan natin na finals of the 10th season, Ivy. Whoa!
And that one comes off the block once again.
Adamson, 5, UST 4. Look at this back set.
This is Maylene Paat for the attack. Off the hands of Lastimosa. Sumabit lang ng sumabit si Lastimosa doon sa net, di niya tuloy na save.
Nice.
Service good.
Very nice serve. Off speed. This time Lastimosa able to score with an off speed. Pinapik lang, you know. Pinasok lang talaga yung bola.
Seeing that open spot in the middle of Adamson.
We're tied at 5. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Angela gets it past the block. Tunay again able to hit cross court.
Miscommunication now from Guevara and Paat.
Lastimosa again for the serve. That's good. Ganda ng reception ni Pineda. A bit low was the set. They give it now to Angela. Outside.
Off the hands of Rhea de Maculangan.
Splitting the block. Ito, tignan natin, Ivy.
Let's take a look at that again. That's Angela Benting. Right in the middle of the two blockers.
That was a very loose block there from UST. Guevara. Floater is in. Good defense by Adamson.
Benting once again off the block. So off the hands of De Maculangan.
That time medyo mababa yung set. Alam mo yun yung parang isiningit sa sa gilid and hit the blockers, went straight out. Wasted opportunity right here because Guevara served straight into the net. We're tied at 7. It's going to be like this all the way, I think, Ivy, with these two evenly
I have the feeling that this is going to be just 1 point ahead of each other.
Stana with a good reception. De Leon with a good dig. Off the block.
Saved by Angela. Ball is still alive. Ortiz with a running hit, but that goes outside. But a net violation error was called against Adamson. The point goes to UST.
First technical timeout going UST's way. They're top by 1, 8-7. We'll be right back.